accounting from cash basis marks a significant milestone in our nation's journey to strengthening public finance management. In recognition of this, the Cabinet in March 2024 approved the transition from cash to accrual basis of accounting to improve cash management and enhance financial and fiscal reporting. The accrual accounting will enable the government to account for all assets and liabilities, including all government assets. With accrual accounting, we will also be able to account for all pending bills, public debt, and pension liabilities. Mr. Speaker, this is an important step to strengthen the public finance management, and I will therefore direct all MDAs and county governments to migrate to accrual accounting starting July 2024. This effectively means, Mr. Speaker, that the last financial statement to be prepared on cash basis by national and county governments will be for the financial year 2023-2024.